Well, you're in for a treat today. We are in Cypress Green here in Hockley, Texas, and I've got two great model homes to show you. They both range starting in the 310s, 315 price point. In this community, we're talking about Long Lake and Coventry homes today. Two great builders with amazing floor plans here. Lots of buyers have been reaching out about this community here in Cypress Green because of the price point. So we're talking about homes in this community that are starting in the high 200s. So that is very appealing for buyers around here in the Hockley, Tomball, Magnolia kind of area. And so I'm here to feature what this community has to offer. And so far I have shown you DRB and Castle Rock, and here today we are talking about Coventry, and back behind me here is Long Lake's model today. So this model here back behind me is a model floor plan that is no longer available by Long Lake here in this community. They are building in Katy and Moore and Waller, and also in Conroe areas, some others, but they have run out of lots here for this particular plan. So if you like it, do let me know because it is available elsewhere and we can kind of make a plan from there. But two great floor plans today, two great models. Let me know what you think, and here we go. Plan with Coventry today, and I like this plan a lot because not only does it stay within the 350s price point, but you also get 5 beds in a 26 square foot floor plan. So it's a really good space. You can kind of do some different things if you didn't want to do 5 bedrooms or you didn't need to do 5 bedrooms, but it comes with a study. It has a game room, and there's a way possibly for you to incorporate a media room, possibly on the second floor also, if you wanted. Lovely study here. You get a half bath on the first floor. You can get a sense of paint colors. They use kind of a green-blue hue here. Laundry's on the first floor. And then it just opens wide up to the kitchen and living area here. They went with pretty much all white here in the kitchen. One of my favorite features about Coventry, and they do it in many of their floor plans, is when they get to the dining area. So here you don't really have like a breakfast nook. You have a complete separate little dining area like you see here, but they kind of separate it out. It's kind of in its own little home here, and it happens this way. Coventry builds it in this way in a lot of their plans, and I love it because it separates the space a bit, but you still feel very inclusive to the kitchen and living areas with a plan like this. You have the living area. You can really see what kind of furniture you can get in here. And you can do the oversized furniture. Obviously, you can get like an L-shaped sectional in here. So many different options for paint colors. I mean, you can just go crazy if you wanted to. The backyard features kind of a square style back patio. You could upgrade this if you wanted to and extend it more rectangular. That is an option with Coventry. Then we're going to go back and check out the master. Good size master. You know, one of the things I absolutely love about Coventry, and one of the reasons why I have featured them so much on my channel, is their quality remains the same no matter what price point they're in. So I have featured $500,000, $600,000, $700,000 floor plans, and Coventry is definitely in that world for the bigger square footage homes, for just the more upgrades and just more bells and whistles to the floor plan in general. But they're also in this world too, in these communities where they focus on the 300 $1,000 price point. So this plan is right smack dab in the middle of the 350s. And they did that for a reason, to stay within, but the quality is there. And that is why I'm showing you this plan. And that is why I'm excited that Coventry is here to begin with. So you get these great spaces here. You get the study, you get a game room. If you need a media room, if you want a media room, I think you can do that here in this space also. There's not a dedicated media room here, but we can definitely fit it in here. One of the ideas for a media room is this space here. I've seen several people kind of divide this room up as part of it, game room, and then part of it you black out with curtains, and it can be your media room. This room here could be a media room. This is technically a bedroom, how they have it set up, but if you black out this curtain, you've got a closet for storage. You've got a bathroom right here. All the other bedrooms are off on the other side. This is kind of the only one up here on the second floor that is kind of by itself. So if you put your thinking cap on, you really can make these rooms whatever you want. Now, if you need 5 bedrooms, I think this plan is perfect, especially if you need to stay in the mid 300s price point. There's a lot of space here to work with. So you got 3 full bedrooms along this entire side of the house here. Last bedroom. I wanted to remind you that Cypress Green here has excellent amenities. You got pickleball, you got tennis courts, a resort-style pool, walking trails galore. They've got a fitness area, dog parks, tons of green spaces, playgrounds, obviously, and different areas of these little neighborhoods. And don't forget, we're heading on to look at Long Lake now. Stay tuned. So this is a great plan by Long Lake. It is in their 600 product line for homes. You know, their plan names are in the 600s and the 200s here. So now that they only have about 2 homes available in their 55-foot lots, this plan is no longer available in this community, Cypress Green. It is available still if you love this plan in particular. It is still available in Katy, it's available in Conroe and in different areas. So it is here, it hasn't gone away. It's just not available here in Cypress Green and the Hockley Tomball area. But there are so many other great 2-story plans here, and they go up to about almost 2,900 square feet here. So you got some great plans to work with. Long Lake really starts in the low 300s and goes all the way into the upper 300s for building. Some of their inventory is up into the 400s price point with all of the upgrades and different finishes and features built in already. So kind of depending on your budget and your price point that you want to stay within, you may build from the ground up. They do that here with Long Lake. Or you may decide you're wanting to move earlier and do one of the inventory homes that's already started construction and still take advantage of some of the built-in upgrades that Long Lake has chosen to do. They've got some great incentives. One of the most exceptional things about this plan is that open to below. I mean, this kitchen living room is something else. It's pretty amazing. And that picture window. But whether you do a plan like this or a 1-story plan, they've got some great incentives here. I mean, at the time right now, they're able to take, a good amount off the already reduced prices on inventory homes. Like I'm talking about $20K. They're doing some exceptional things here with Long Lake as far as incentives go. And look at this extended patio here. I mean, that's huge. Just an incredible space. If you love the vaulted type ceilings, you may check out some of the other plans that Long Lake has to offer. They've got 7 different 2-story plans. I mean, they just got a ton of plans here in this community to choose from. The master bathroom features some upgrades here. So you do have a soaking tub. You have a good sized master closet here. And they have also done a little extra storage bonus little piece to the master closet here. I love that. That would be kind of an under stair extra storage place. Instead of being able to access it from the hallway, you access it from the master bedroom. Just a different way of doing it. So up here, you got a lovely game room space up here. You're open to below, not only from the front entrance, but to the back where the living area is. So it really is wide open up here. This game room is one of the biggest game rooms that I have ever seen. It's actually a little bit of an extended game room here. So you have the option to keep this a 5th bedroom, or you can turn it into a media room like they've done it here. It would be an upgrade. But this media room is a bit bigger than what a bedroom would be. And then you have the secondary rooms off to the side over here. This is, I would consider, a wide open floor plan on the first floor and the second floor. If you have flexibility in location, you have a bit more to choose from as far as floor plans go. So if one floor plan you like is not being built in one community, there most of the time is another community not too far away that it could be built in. So you have options. There are always options. And I can always help you narrow down and pick what communities might best fit what you're looking for. But like I said before, they've got 7 other 2-story floor plans in this community. They've got a total of 4 1-story plans. So Long Lake's bread and butter here is their 2-story plans, but they've got some great 1-story plans. If you really want to stay in the low 300s price point, you may look at a 1-story. Let me know which model was your favorite, Coventry or Long Lake. Let me know if you're seriously considering Cypress Green. It's a great community, a lot to offer. Or if you're not looking at Cypress Green, but you want to see what's available in some other communities, let me know. And I will see you on the next video.